and today we are making s'more pie for National S'mores Day. And so the first thing you'll need is Hershey's chocolate. It doesn't matter what kind you use, but we use this kind. And also you'll need some pie crust. And then third, you'll need some marshmallows. And then last, you'll need some caramel pieces. So the first thing we're gonna do is you're just gonna have to take some caramel and chocolate and just put it just everywhere, anywhere you like. Like you're gonna have to put like a layer of this stuff and a layer of caramel and chocolate. Well, actually, you don't have to use caramel, but we're using caramel to make a s'more pie. We're gonna use all of the stuff. What? How could you? This is kidding. Caramel. The chocolate's already melted. It's gonna probably taste a lot better with the caramel. Okay, now when you're all finished putting the chocolate in, you put the marshmallows on the top. Yes, you put marshmallows on the top. Wow. To fill the top, I guess. Well, this is a lot of marshmallows. Are they gonna fit over there? I don't know. We don't have to use all. Okay, we can use all. Okay, so this is what it will look like before you cook it for about 7 to 10 minutes in the oven on 350. 350 Fahrenheit. Okay, so see you when it's done. Right. Okay, so this is what it will look like when it is finished. So it looks like a s'more. It smells like look at it. Like it's so golden, like it's golden and stuff, and like it smells so good. So I cannot wait to try it. So let's cut it wide. Ooh. Oh wow, it's so sticky. How am I gonna get this? Sticky, 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 sticky. Oh gosh, we're not gonna have the best cut piece. Here, Allie. Oh no. So this is what it looks like under it. This is what it kind of looks like. It looks like a s'more. It's like a messy lot. Yeah, wow. That's a lot of marshmallows. But hey, you never know, it could be good. Yeah. And then the caramel, I forgot about that. It melted a bit, the caramel. Mm-hmm. It didn't melt all the way, but it still melted. Movies. Yeah, so let's try it. Yes, we are gonna try it now. So let's try it in 3, 2. Well, we probably already know what it tastes like. It tastes like a regular. Try it, come on. Probably. So 3, 2, 1. It's good. It tastes like a normal s'more. It just has caramel in it. A s'more pie. It tastes different with the caramel. Okay, it's really good. I like it. Oh, this is good. The chocolate is so good. Sticky. Yeah. So you can make your you can make one at home. So, yeah. Okay. So I really hope you try this. Comment down below if you tried it. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.